The DJI Avata 2 is designed for those who want the adrenaline of immersive flying without the steep learning curve of traditional FPV drones. With its intuitive motion controller and robust safety features, it brings professional-style maneuvers to everyday creators. Check the link in the description for the best price. Understanding where this drone shines in the air. The response time and flight agility provide unmatched freedom for creators looking to capture dynamic, immersive angles that normal drones. The wide field of view and high frame rate capture high-speed action scenes with clarity, making it a standout choice. While it captures quality footage, the flight characteristics are tuned for agility rather than the slow, stabilized movement required for. This drone excels at dynamic, fast-paced shooting, though it does not aim to replace your standard. Breaking down what you get for the investment. You receive a complete ecosystem in one box, which saves the hassle and cost of purchasing individual components like goggles. DJI remains the gold standard for reliability, offering robust software and a wide support network that gives buyers peace of. While it offers great value, prospective buyers should know that significant discounts are infrequent, so waiting for a sale may. The price is well supported by the inclusion of essential accessories, making it a solid investment for. Important considerations for long-term ownership. The integrated propeller guards significantly reduce the risk of damage during contact, making it much more forgiving for beginners who. The system offers excellent transmission stability and flight predictability, which is crucial for maintaining control while navigating at higher speeds. Using goggles creates a highly immersive experience, but it also creates a challenge since you lose peripheral awareness, often necessitating. While the drone design prioritizes safety, the inherent nature of FPV flight requires a learning curve. Ultimately, the Avata 2 is an incredible creative tool for those specifically hunting that unique, immersive FPV look. Its safety-first approach makes the learning process far less daunting, though you should still pair this with a standard drone if you also need stable, cinematic travel shots.